Hey everyone, how are you? Once again, I welcome you my new video of 3-month challenge to become fluent in English. And my dear brother, you can see right now I am in new location. Actually, I came a forest just because I want to shoot a documentary video in Hindi language. Whenever in future I will be able to speak fluently, you may say continuously. Whenever I maintain continuity, then I will also shoot a video in English language. Okay. If you are interested in my Hindi documentary video, then you may subscribe that channel also. And the channel name is I don't know. You have to go through the link which is already available in description box. Okay. There is my bike. You can see. Okay. Right now I have done my all shooting of that documentary video. Suddenly my mind remind me I have to also shoot a English video daily practice channel, English video for this channel. That's why I'm taking my phone and starting shooting video. Okay, gentlemen, this is my 8th video. Okay, if you are my older subscriber, you know uh, what I actually do this channel. Actually, I take a challenge of 3 months, and every day, um, what I do for maintain my continuity, everything I post on this YouTube channel. Uh, just because I have no any method to do conversation in long time. That's what I choose this method. This method is the best way to continue conversion and conversation, or you may say English speaking. Uh, that's why I started this. Um, and mm, there is lot of thought arised in my mind, but you can see right now also I'm stuck in video. कोई बात नहीं है 8वां दिन है I am Hindi background student. That's why it may be quite want a long time. Okay, I will be there for that. It's not a big problem. And I would like to say all of my dear brother who want to speak English like me, from Hindi background to English background, uh, I would like to suggest you one thing. Just uh, stand up and keep going. Speak English. Speaking English doesn't matter you are right or wrong. It's not matter whether I am wrong, whether I uh, am right or wrong. You can see it doesn't matter. Okay, तो राइट नाउ मेरे को अभी जाना है वापस, तो अभी जाते हैं हम लोग। और मेरे दिमाग में अभी इतना ही इंग्लिश आ रहा है, इससे ज़्यादा इंग्लिश नहीं आ रहा है मेरे डियर ब्रदर। तो कल कोशिश करूँगा ज़्यादा बोलने का। 1 घंटा डेली प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ, फिर भी ऐसे अटक-अटक के बोलता हूँ। वीडियो बनाने के दौरान एक चीज़ का ध्यान नहीं रखना पड़ता है, कॉन्सेंट्रेट रखना पड़ता है, माइंड को भी। वीडियो कैमरा सामने चल रहा है तो बहुत सारी चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखना पड़ता है। तो ये, और मैं मेहनत कितना करता हूँ, ये वाला वीडियो मैं 10वें दिन के बाद से अपलोड करना चालू करूँगा, क्योंकि थोड़ा बहुत तो इंग्लिश बोल लूँ ताकि ऑडियंस का, आपका, मेरे भाई का, कोई भी लोग जो देख रहे हैं उसका इंटरेस्ट वीडियो पे बना रहे इसके लिए। ठीक है, तो मिलता है नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन गुड बाय, बाय बाय। आपका दिन शुभ हो। थैंक यू सो मच।